Week 1, round 1 is over. Let's get into round 2. Oh, you better be careful this week. They're doing it. Hey there friends, let's talk about AMC and what is going on. So this week we saw a huge movement in AMC. Now going into Monday, what we can expect and what we can see. Hedge funds are freaking out. There are so many articles out right now where they're saying the walls are closing in, and look what just came out. So here's one of the big things right here where you're gonna start to see this week. TD Ameritrade is limiting AMC traders to customers with capital on hand and cut off trading on borrowed funds. So if you trade with TD there, be careful because they are already limiting you as an investor, and you're probably gonna see a lot more of that coming this week because we know this week is going to bring some big numbers. This should be the week where we see bigger numbers come into play here. So what we know is happening here, as we keep pushing, as people keep pushing, as investors buy more calls, as we buy more stocks, we keep this thing and we hold it. We know that hedge funds are suffering and they're going to continue to suffer, and this is what is going to continue to drive up AMC. The longer we hold, the more it's going to go up. So that is what we know right now. So when you hear people say this is going to go higher than GameStop, it probably will go higher than GameStop because so many people are involved in this right now. And so many more people, common people, are so knowledgeable about what's going on right now, and they know what to do. They know what they need to be doing right now with AMC, and they're doing it. So with AMC, it's not a matter, is this going to happen? It's a matter of, when is this going to happen? Is Monday going to be the day we break into 100? Is Tuesday going to be the day we break into 100? Are we going to go to 100 and then go to 500 or even 1,000? But to see those numbers, people are going to have to continue to hold. People are going to have to continue to buy. But the deeper we go into this, we're going to see more and more articles come out saying, the squeeze has already happened, what are you doing? And these articles that are coming out, they're trying to make the investors, the apes in this, feel dumb, and people that are not so comfortable leaving massive amounts of money in there, whether it's your $100 or your $100,000, it's still your money, and it's a lot of money, and you are taking risk with it. So when you read these articles and people that maybe don't really understand, a lot of these articles, they're just people who are writers, and they can write whatever they want, and a lot of them, they're not in this and they don't really even understand what's going on. So for them to write an article where they're getting attention and they're getting clicks and advertisement when they can just simply say, you know, it's over, you're crazy for staying in this, they're going to continue to write things like that because it's bringing in people that are scared and looking for information. There's literally 5 new articles every hour on AMC that are just like that. But what we're seeing with AMC, this is exactly what GameStop did. It hit this $30 to $40 mark, and then it just sat there for a split second, and then it just popped. It just popped, and that's what we're seeing right here. So will it be this week? I don't know. I think with this week, something big might happen here. The fun thing about this is right now, people that usually don't even go for this kind of hype stuff right now. So when I say hype, understand, I don't mean hype as like hype in its fate. This is not fake. This is really happening. Investors are up against the hedge funds. You have these contracts that are, you know, they're gonna be broke. But there is a lot of hype around AMC in this general sense of it's chaos right now because people are wondering what's going on. They're wondering how high is this gonna go? And we've already seen lies come out this week from the media saying the hype is over, the squeeze has already happened, and you're just wasting your time, which we know is a complete lie. So friends, just to wrap all this up, this is what we're seeing. These are my thoughts on what's going on. I think this week is gonna be round 2, and we could definitely see some bigger movement this week. Will this be the big week of our lives? I don't know, but every day and every week we draw closer to something bigger happening. But friends, remember, I am not a professional stock advisor. I am not a financial advisor. I am just a guy who is obsessed with what is going on right now, and I have a platform to talk and spread my thoughts, and that's what I'm doing. So I hope it helped. I hope you are enjoying the content and what we are seeing right here going on. I'm super excited about this week and what's gonna happen with AMC. So friends, remember, be positive and be you. I will talk to you very soon. Best of luck out there. It's gonna be a really fun week.